Today we're switching out the brake pads on the calipers. First things first, with removing the calipers, we need to take off the main screws that are holding the calipers to the frame. With these screws, what I like doing is loosening them with the socket and then switching to the tube. Makes quick work out of them. Now slide the caliper off the mount. Now we need to remove that one little screw or that one little pin that's holding the brake pads together. After that screw is gone, we're going to remove the brake pads. So on top, just push down the top part of the pad. It should kind of look like a handle. They should come out of the bottom, and you might need to use something so they don't get caught up on the caliper. Here are the new brake pads. They are semi-metallic, and they should be a pretty good upgrade for the e-bike. Now we're going to be cleaning the caliper. Just use some soap and water, and that should get rid of all the brake dust, all the brake grime, and just standard dust and dirt. Now get a Q-tip to get inside the brake cavity. That's where the pistons are, and they can clog up if they're not clean. Now we're going to be putting in the new brake pads. Once everything is assembled, put the screw back in. I use the drill. After it has been cleaned, slide the caliper back on the mount. Reassemble the mounting screws again. The rear brakes are done exactly like the front brakes. I tried doing the rear ones, but that little screw actually was seized up. I even tried WD-40, it didn't come out. So yeah, I might have to wait until I get a new caliper for that. It might just be stuck there. I hope that you guys liked today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe.